The carnival season in Jamaica is officially over, but we had to bring you some highlights from the recently held Bacchanal J'Overt. Gospel artist Christopher Gayle recently won 2 awards in the Sterling Gospel Music Award. We caught up with him recently and he spoke about his projects for 2019.
God put you all around me. See it and me know you can't stop me. The wall around me, God put you all around me. See it and me know you can't stop me. He can't go around me wall, no. He can't go above me wall, no. Him can't go under the wall. No sad nothing him can't do me at all.
You recently won some awards, some Sterling Gospel Awards. Talk to us about that.
Well, yes, I recently won Collab of the Year, Local Hit of the Year. It was a good feeling on behalf of my friend Duino. And all I can say is just look out for more music from Christopher Gayle. Much more coming in 2019.
Tell us where you're from originally.
Well, Christopher Gayle is from St. Mary, now resides in Kingston.
Now tell me, how did you get involved in the gospel fraternity?
Well, besides the fact that I was born and raised in a Christian home, in my teenage years I just realized that there was absolutely nothing in the world. Absolutely nothing in the world. I read my Bible and a lot of things got manifested right in front of my very eyes, and I just know that God is real. I feel him every day, I just know he's real.
One thing when me sure, the wall is stronger than the one at Jericho. Oh, yeah.
The wall around me, God put you all around me. See it and me know you can't stop me. The wall around me, God put you all around me. See it and me know you can't stop me.
Christopher Gayle has been doing music from a pretty tender age. But at the age of 20, I just realized that, hey, I need to take this thing serious. Not for the money, not for the light, not for the fame, but I just want the message to go out. A lot of young people my age thinks gospel is boring, thinks church is boring. You understand? But in the world it's boring as well. You can go to a party and a selector not playing good and that party is boring and you will left from there go to another party. Understand? If you are in church and church is boring, just do something to make the service more lively. Read, stay connected with God. There's a lot of things in church that you can do that is fun.
Follow up, what new songs you have coming out?
Well, I won't tell the secret, but Christopher Gayle has a lot of songs coming. I won't say an EP, I won't say an album, but just look out. Christopher Gayle, and we're in the studio working, so just look out.
See it and me know you can't stop me. The wall around me, God put you all around me. See it and me know you can't stop me. The wall around me,
We take a walk down memory lane with Elephant Man plus much more. After this, our final commercial break.
one more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Nephew, our spirit.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gal apart. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a stock. Take charge, take
charge.
Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine.